Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. I did something that I said I wouldn't do. I have a bag to unbox for you. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Like I said, I made a promise to myself and to you that I wouldn't buy a bag until I had bought a Birkin. And although, don't you worry, buying this bag has not set me off track. We are human and we are allowed to change our minds, and I'm sorry, but I just couldn't stop thinking about this sodding bag and thinking about how much of a home it would have in my collection. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Okay, I haven't seen it. I just cut this to make things easier for this section, okay? Documentation, thank you so much. Okay. I'm sorry, but if you've been on this channel, you know what I went and did and couldn't resist. I have tried to talk myself out of buying this bag so many times, to the point that I actually stepped back and I was like, why are you trying to talk yourself out of it, Cassie? Why can't you just let go and lean into your intuition? Because clearly your intuition is in love with this bag and there's nothing you can do about it. I'm sorry, it's love and love cannot be helped, okay? It is from Bottega. This is my first Bottega purchase. I'm slightly disappointed by Bottega in general, by the way, but their bags don't come in boxes. Unacceptable to me. They need to work on that. I think they have some great green branding. They should do that in a little magnetic sealing box. We would all love it. Thank you so much. Please take note. Anyway, oh my god, the colour! Oh my gosh. If we can just take a moment to enjoy her beauty. I will say this is heavy, okay? Straight away. These chains are heavy, but I'm ready for the commitment, you know? Before we go into a little bit more detail about the bag, I do want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Farfetch. I also have a code for you, okay? So keep listening. Now, we love Farfetch on this channel. I, without the sponsorship, use Farfetch all the sodding time. For example, this top, Isabel Marant top, highly recommend. Absolutely love it. It's very soft. We'll have all linked below and whatnot. Got this from Farfetch recently, not due to anything with Farfetch, just because I love the platform. There's always stuff on there that I don't really find or see anywhere else. Farfetch, if you are not aware, is basically a platform that takes over 1,200 boutiques from all over the world, puts them onto one shopping platform such that we, us luxury addicts, can look in one place. So when you end up buying from Farfetch, your stuff could come from anywhere. This bag actually did come from Brown's Fashion, which is a boutique in the UK. However, when I bought this top, it came from Italy. They have a fabulous range of brands, okay? So we've got the names we know and love. They've got your Fendi, your Gucci, your Bottega, your everyone, your Versace. However, they also have lesser known brands, and that is why I love having a good scroll on the What's New page on Farfetch every so often. I also have a page on Farfetch, which is my Cassie Thorpe edit. I don't know if you're aware, it will be linked below. This features items that I've mentioned in videos that I absolutely love. For example, the Saint Laurent Jersey Jamie bag, Attico orange crystal embellished pumps that are on my wish list. Actually found recently a glorious pair of like Barbie hot pink Attico pumps with a sling bag. Oh, love that. Obviously an essential of mine, marine Serre tops. Alternatives to the Gucci Marmont. You know how I feel about that belt? Whenever I see an alternative, I like to let you guys know. And this glorious Fendi baguette one, truly a moment. This is the code I have for you, so if there's anything that you have your eyes on, you might want to use it. Just a suggestion. T's and C's will be below. There are some brand exclusions, but for the majority of the brands we're interested here, the code will apply. Thank you as always to Farfetch for sponsoring this video. Let's get on with the bag. The vibes, immaculate. Why did I decide to go for this colour? This colour I'm going to name Green Screen Green. I don't have anything like this colour, and honestly, I bought it, A, because I just loved the colour and was like, oh, against the gold, immaculate. But I almost did it to kind of challenge myself as well. Otherwise, you know, I love blue. I would have just gone for the blue, or I would have gone for a black version. And you know, I try to push myself out of my comfort zone, you know, where I can. Now, the leather, very soft there, living for that. I will have to be a little bit conscious of colour transfer, especially against jeans. How do we open this? Let's deal with that. Oh, we have an interesting mechanism. Right, it's not a pop. Before I go ahead and break this bag while everyone watch. Right, it's a weird slide. Interesting. Okay, so this lock, basically, the round thing kind of slides in and then you pull it out. Did we see that? Did we see that mechanism? Okay, how do we feel about the inside? What are we dealing with? It is very, like, nice and smushy and soft, so we're here for that. We open it up. We have, obviously, the main space here. Not a crazy amount of space, but more than what I'm used to. Then you've got a little Bottega zip pocket. Gold zip, gold detailing, blah, 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 little thing. What do we have? Ooh, Bottega Veneta, thank you so much. Well, we'll deal with that another time. Right, you got a little pouch there for, I don't know. What is that? Okay. Then you've got this weird kind of divide. It's not a pocket, it doesn't have a bottom. So it's just like stuff that you want to keep separate. The general vibes of the bag remind me very much of the Chanel 19. Why? Because they both have chains, they both have like a chain top handle situation. But I do just want to like mention a difference, and that is, do we see where this chain lives? This chain is pretty wide, right? Whereas this Bottega one is a lot, you know, it's in the middle. It's got a longer chain there. So there's a longer drop, I feel. Yeah, there is. There's a longer drop between the two of them. Interesting to note. Oh, price. Okay, so this bag is £2,800. Now, full transparency, as part of my partnerships with Farfetch, they do give me some credit. So I used my credit on this bag and then I paid for the rest of it. I do want to talk about a couple of ways I plan on styling this bag. The first way, which is the most obvious way to me because it is such a statement bag, it is a piece she deserves truly all of the attention, is against an all black outfit, okay? And obviously, whatever black outfit it will work with because she is the pièce de résistance. Here I've gone for one of my very like go-to casual looks, which is fabulous legging, black turtleneck, we love you, with my Gucci off the grid jacket, very casual vibes, right? A winter boot, and then we've gone and we've just topped it off with the bag. The look in itself without the bag is cute and casual, but the bag just gives it, oh, it is the cherry on top. It is the sprinkles on top of the sundae. It is the chocolate shavings added to the whipped cream of a hot chocolate that just, oh, brings us up to another level, you know? The second way I plan on styling this, because I don't just want to box myself into thinking that I can only wear this with all black outfits, even though I do wear a lot of all black, but you know, is basically like, I don't know what the technical term is, but I'm just going to call it colour blocking. So I will pick X number of colours that I'm going to wear this bag with, and green will end up being one of the colours. So here I've basically done white, blue and green. As long as the pieces fit into one of those colours, then it's going to work cohesively, you know? What I don't want to do is wear an overbearing look that's got a lot of colours or a lot of shades and then also have the bag, because then it's going to be too much, you know? You don't want people to look at you and be like, my eyes can't physically focus because there's a lot happening here, you know? You want the bag to work with you, not against you. Guys, what do you think of the new addition to the Cassie bag family? Hopefully the next time I do this, it's a Birkin. I know I got off track. It happens to the best of us, but I do think that she's a worthy addition. What should we call her? Esmeralda. Esmeralda, why? Because she's emerald. Oh, not really emerald, but go off, sis. That just came off the top of my head. So proud of myself. Thank you very much to Farfetch for sponsoring the video. This is the code once again. Go forth, use it, have a wonderful time. Oh, and if you do use it, please DM me what you get, because I love to know your purchases. I'm going to link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.